Did you know that Portuguese verbs are divided in 3 groups? Each group is based on the last 2 letters of the infinitive form. So we have AR, ER, and IR verbs. Let's learn how to conjugate regular IR verbs in the Preterite past tense. First, look at a verb in the infinitive and remove the IR, that is the stem. The Preterite tense expresses a past action that was completed. So for dormir, the stem is DORM. For first person singular, add I to the stem. Eu abri. For second person singular, tu, add ISTE. Tu conduziste. For singular, third person and second person você, add IU. Ele, ela, você partiu. For first person plural, add IMOS. Nós subimos. The IR verb conjugation for nós is the same for present tense and preterite. For plural, third person and second person vocês, add IRAM. Eles, elas, vocês uniram. So let's recap. Eu decidi, tu decidiste, ele decidiu. Nós decidimos, eles decidiram. É fácil, não é? On our Patreon, you can watch our videos firsthand and access exclusive content. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn European Portuguese online.